Do you want to know what the post office, this jar, and this $20 bill all have in common? I'm gonna tell you, it's story time. My first book, So This Is Why I'm Broke, comes out on Tuesday, May 9th. So last week I was shipping out a couple of advanced signed copies to influencers, VIPs, you know, friends and family, things like that. So I scoot my ass down to the post office with this big gigantic box, and I go and I see this wonderful, super kind lady, only person there working, who tells me, you know, if someone comes in, I'm gonna have to pause because this is such a big transaction. So I'm like, okay girl, that's fine, that's not a problem. Like, I respect people who are in customer service because it's freaking hard. So as she is, you know, scanning the books, getting them ready to go out into the world, a line starts forming behind me, and I have really bad anxiety when it comes to lines. So I turn around and I say, I am sorry, y'all. This is my first book. I apologize. I really didn't mean to disturb your entire day. And to my surprise, people start asking me about the book. And this one super cute old lady, she's like, is it available at Costco? I don't know, maybe. I'm gonna go try to find it at Costco. Okay. And everyone in the post office starts like looking on Amazon to buy the book. And then the postal worker slips me this 20 under the glass. And she's like, I would like to buy a book. I want to support you. This 20 is the first money that I have made from my first book. I can never spend it. I can never spend it. I run back home immediately, get her book, sign it, give her a really cool fancy sticker because what? And bring it back to her at the post office. And she was so kind and so thankful. And she was like, I really just loved your spirit and your energy. And I love you for spirit and energy. Oh my God. Now I have to put it in my gratitude jar and mark down this special occasion. Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you.